Hey guys, welcome to my channel. I'm Shireen, and today also I'm going to do some resin work on my coasters. Today will be quite different because I'll be using different colors like peach, white and gold. I usually use gold a lot because I like it, but I don't use light colors because I'm not very fond of them. So I decided why not to use them because it'll be different. I usually use dark colors because I like dark colors, but as I wanted to see how the light colors turn out when you use it with resin, so I thought why not to test them on my coasters and make some of them. And I'll be doing a pour which is a puddle pour, because I've seen many of them are using this technique and I wanted to really try it because I find it quite interesting. So let's see how does it go and how does it work, because I'm really excited to see the results. Hope you also do the same. If you like my videos, please share it with your friends and hit the like button. Subscribe to my channel, I really like it. And thank you so much for all my subscribers who have subscribed to my channel, who like my videos, who watch my videos. Thank you so much to them. So now let's get started.